Good morning children, welcome to today's video section of Standard 10, Geography Unit 3, India Agriculture. Now we are going to discuss about the irrigations and types of irrigations, crops and types of crops. These two topics today we are going to discuss. Shall we continue the lesson Indian Agriculture? Agriculture is the process of producing food for people, fodder for cattle, fiber and many other desired products by the cultivation of certain plants and the raising of domesticated animals. Determinant of agriculture. Agriculture in India is determined by a set of factors. Some of the important factors. Number 1, physical factors, relief, climate and soil. Number 2, institutional factors, size of farm holding, land tenure and land reforms. Third one, infrastructural factors, irrigations, power, transport, credit, market, insurance and storage facilities. Fourth one, technological factors, high yielding variety of seeds, chemical fertilizer, insecticides and machineries. Now we are going to see types of farming. 1. Subsistence farming. 2. Shifting agriculture. 3. Intensive farming. 4. Dry farming. 5. Mixed farming. 6. Terrace farming. These are we are going to see detailed. Subsistence farming. A considerable proportion of farmers in the country practice subsistence farming. Farmers grow crops with the help of the family members and consumes almost the entire farm produce with a little surplus to sell in the market. Preference is given to food crops. In addition, the food crops, sugarcane, oil seeds, cotton, jute and tobacco are also cultivated. Shifting agriculture, மாற்று வேளாண்மை. This type of agriculture is performed by tribal peoples in piece of forest land after clearing the trees through the felling and burning the trunks and branches. இது வந்து காடுகளில் வளரக்கூடிய செய்யக்கூடிய வேளாண்மை. Once the land is cleared, crops are grown for 2 to 3 years and the land will be get abundant as fertility of soil decreases. The farmers then move new area and the process will be repeated. They cultivate some grains and vegetables crops using the manual labor. It is also called as slash and burn cultivations. Students, next we will see the intensive farming. Intensive farming is an agriculture intensification and mechanization system that aims to maximize yield from available land through the various means such as heavy use of pesticide and chemical fertilizer. Dry farming. This type of farming is practiced in arid areas where the irrigation facilities are lacking. Crops cultivated in this area can withstand dry conditions. வறட்சியான சூழ்நிலை. The crops grown generally with the help of the irrigations are also grown under the dry farming. In such circumstances, the yield of generally low. Most of the areas under dry cultivation entertain only one crops per year. Mixed farming, கலப்பு வேளாண்மை, கலப்பு விவசாயம். Mixed farming is defined as a system of farm which includes crops production, raising livestock, poultry, fisheries, beekeeping, etc. to sustain and satisfy as many needs of the farmers as possible. Students, look at the table here. Different names of shifting agriculture in different regions of in India. Name of the crops: Jhum, place Assam; Poonam, Kerala; Podu, Andhra Pradesh and Odisha; Bivar, Mahan, Benda, Pira, Madhya Pradesh. Major crops cultivated in India. மிக முக்கியமான பயிர் வகைகள். The major crops of India are divided into four major categories as follows: food crops, wheat, maize, rice, millets, pulses. Number 2, cash crops, பணப்பயிர், sugarcane, tobacco, cotton, jute, oil seeds. Number 3, plantation crops, tea, coffee and rubber. Horticulture, pet fruits, flowers and vegetables. Now we are going to see the food crops. Due to its large population, Indian agriculture is largely dominated by the food crops. Rice. Rice is an indigenous crop. India is the second largest producer of the rice in the world after China. It is mainly a tropical crop growing mainly with mean temperature of 24 degrees Celsius and annual rainfall 150 centimeter. Deep fertility clay or loam soils are suited well for rice cultivations. Rice in India show in three ways: board casting, plugging or drilling, transplantation. Due to increased use of high-yielding variety HYV seeds, CR DON 205, AR DON 306, CRR 451, etc., many of the indigenous variety were disappeared in 2016. The first 10 leading rice producing states are West Bengal, Uttar Pradesh, Punjab, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Bihar, Chhattisgarh. Students, look at the map here. Paddy producing in India. You can see the map. Half of the India very best for the paddy cultivations. This is a very important map. It will be also it will come for the map drawing activity for the annual exams. Next crops, wheat. Wheat is the second most important food crops of the country after rice. It accounts for 22% of total area and 34% of total production of the food. Over 85% of Indian wheat production comes from 5 states, namely Uttar Pradesh, Punjab, Haryana, Rajasthan and Madhya Pradesh. After from these regions, the black soil tract Deccan covering parts of the Maharashtra, Gujarat also contribute to a major wheat productions. Students, you can also look at the map or another map, wheat production in India. This is also one important map for your public exam. Students, look at the map and take a practice on yourself. Jowar. Jowar is the third. Jowar is the third important food crops of our country. It is an indigenous plant of Africa. The plant has tendency to grow in the adverse climatic conditions. It is grain are rich in the carbohydrates, protein, minerals and vitamins. Bajras. Bajra is an indigenous plant of Africa. This forms the stable food for people. It is slashed or used for fodder for cattle and thatching purposes. Barley. Barley is one of the important cereals of our country. Besides Being a poor man's diet, it is used for making barley, water, beer, and whiskey. Rajasthan and Uttar Pradesh are the two leading producers of barley. Pulses. Pulses include a large number of carbs which are mostly rich in vegetable protein. They are used in human food and feeding cattle. They fix atmospheric nitrogen in the soil and hence are usually rotated with other crops. India is the largest producer of pulses. Next, we will see the table column here. Cropping season in India, major crops cultivated. Cropping season, Kharif season, June to September it started. Northern states, rice, cotton, bajras, maize, jowar too. Southern states, rice, ragi, maize, these are all. Rabi season, October to March. Jihad season, April to June. This is also very important map for your 1 mark questions. Without any lacking, you can take a very serious for this map. The map and the tabular column. Students, next videos we will see the next topic, the cash crops.